Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create an account on Alibaba. First, open your web browser. Here, search for alibaba.com. Now tap on this profile icon. Click on Join for free. Now you need to add all this required information. First, add your country or region. Then select your trade role. After that, add your email address. Once you're done, add a login password. Re-enter this password to confirm it. After that, add your company name. Right below it, you need to add your full name. Lastly, you need to add your phone number. Next, you need to agree to the privacy policy. Once you're all done, slide this bar to the right to verify your details. Click on Agree and Register to continue. Now enter the verification code which you have received on your email address. Click on Submit to go next. Here, slide this bar to verify. Your account has been created on Alibaba. Now you can start using it. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.